What makes a student stand out in clearing? Well, it's basically being prepared, so having the information at hand, so having your UCAS ID, the courses that you're interested in, having your qualifications as well, even down to GCSEs. So for instance, some undergraduate degrees will require GCSE specifics as well, things like maths, maybe English. So have those qualifications to hand because they are really easy to forget in the middle of a phone call. Good tip would be to have a look at your personal statement as well before the call and just remind yourself about why you're applying to university, why it is that you're interested in specific subjects and what stands you out from the crowd, just to familiarise yourself. It may not be needed, but it's better having it than not.
It's very easy to make a good impression when you make your clearing phone call. Just be ready with your UCAS ID number, the programme you want to study and your results. For the vast majority of callers, we will make a decision there and then as to whether we can make you an offer. Also remember that it's you that's being offered the place. So, if you can, please do make the phone call yourself and do not ask someone to do it on your behalf. If you do need someone to do it on your behalf, that person will need to explain that to us when they phone. But it is you that we want to talk to, and it's you that we want to offer the place to.
What I look for in a clearing candidate is somebody that obviously meets our academic profile, so has the required grades and the subjects, but also somebody who's got a genuine interest in the university, who's familiar with the courses that we offer, familiar with the location of the university. One way you can demonstrate that is by just asking some further questions, so finding out whether there are going to be opportunities to visit, whether it might be possible to speak to an admissions tutor about the course content, how the course is structured, those kind of things, because that demonstrates to us that you've got a real interest in the courses that we offer.
If you want to stand out in clearing, make sure you've done your research. Students who know what course they want to study come across the most confidently, even if they don't feel it. So if you make sure you know exactly what you want to study, you've maybe got some questions in mind, then that will make you stand out.
To have the best chance of success, you should do as much preparation as you possibly can and be ready to demonstrate your enthusiasm for the course that you want to apply for. Remember, this is your future and you can shape it however you want.